Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the Ghost Flash channel today, and this is something a little bit different. We're not doing an install or anything cool today. We're gonna do maintenance work. We're gonna do some oil changes on Mo Speed's car.
Yes, sir.
And on the Genesis. And also when we get back, I'm gonna show you guys something that I did that I thought was kind of funny, and you guys are gonna see it. If I didn't already say, we're on the way to Napa because we're gonna go pick up some oil and some filters. So we'll catch you guys there. That's a color shifting Tesla.
Oil slick. What do they call that? Tesla. Oil spill or something?
Oh no. Oh yeah, I guess an update. Mo's also on E85 now.
Yes, sir. About to get some liquid Molly right now. Gotta treat her right.
You on that corn juice. Yeah, it caught you on 4K. Bro, rip out the towel, bro. Can't get nothing on the paint. Can't get the paint dirty. Ooh, that thing's clean, bro. Bro, it's posted up for a photo shoot in the Civic. That's probably a worker. Well, we're out of Napa. I got my oil and my filter, and Mo did not.
Yeah, they only had 1 quart bottles. It was $90 for all that shit. Fuck that.
Mo was about to get rich.
We're kind of bumpy here, boys. There we go.
Yeah. Mo dragged me an apology, bro. When In-N-Out is right there. I'm sick.
Had to save him.
We had pizza.
Bro needs help.
I ain't In-N-Out. He's right there.
Just had that shit last night.
We ran it back, bro. So we have landed. Back at the crib.
Yes, sir.
Time to get this oil changed. So you already know, first things first, gotta pop up the oil cap. Take that there, all that thing off. There you go, she off. And we gotta come under here and pop that big plug. I don't know what size that is. Probably like 21, 17, 18, 19, one of the above. Holy shit. Holy. That filter is on there. Who put this on? These are the Walmart specials. Oh yeah. Instantly got that. No shot. We got the most speed down here. Unfortunately, we're doing it like some cavemen because for some odd reason, my quick jack does not ever want to lift Mo's car to lift anybody else's car but his.
Yeah, I'm blessed.
We're blessed to be back in our primal phase on the floor on jack stands.
Well, I'm gonna need a pick.
A pick?
I got a rubber band filter.
Bro, you don't know how to get those off without picks?
Not with these thick ass gloves
You a
on.
noob, bro.
Yeah, I don't want to dig my.
What you down there doing, boy?
Looking at my tie rod ends, wondering what the hell the rubbing is. I'm hearing.
Oh, it's got some oil draining.
Some black.
We both have some black oil.
Room here, boys.
Not much room without the quick jack.
Don't try this at home. Not without jack stands. Why's the ratchet so far? Take this black substance. Oh, she's full. Careful.
Oh, look like mine.
Just wait till I see this catch can. Oh my goodness. I gotta give it one good tight. Oh, how did I switch directions?
Yo,
I'm sick. I don't even know how this happened.
bruh.
Bruh.
It's not even moving now.
No.
There she goes.
Tragic. Tragic as fuck.
Oh, let's just put it in the socket.
Wow.
Oh, here we go.
God damn.
Maybe you get lucky and it actually twists off.
No.
Spoke too soon. No. At least that one fell out. So we got the Jenny back in the garage. Mo backed his car out and he forgot to drain his oil catch can. So we're about to go see what that looks like right about now. Also, check out the top, guys. I decided to wrap it to match the rest of the car, so it looks mighty dandy. We got the Z looking all pretty and shiny, all washed up. Same with the Tacoma.
So if you guys watched the previous video, we did not make this easy to take off the catch can. This shit is yeah, needs to be relocated down there on the next video. But as of right now, we get cut by steel braided line and try and finagle this without unbolting it. It's kind of hard.
It's kind of hard.
Yeah. Might have to unbolt it. Alright, let's do that. I'm not gonna waste no time. Bro, it's in there. Like swimwear. Threaded into the plastic or what? Still? Did we creep? Oh, I think the nut's still on it. What is that? Small beverage.
Oh, a little cup of tea.
Small drink.
You want to take
Not
a cup
even
of tea
medium.
though?
Not even a medium.
Yeah, small, extra small.
Schmedium.
Medium. All right, go dump that thing out. Get that thing bolted back up. We also just inserted a nutsert real quick right there, and we found out that the other bolt, it just lodged itself in here, so it created its own nutsert. So yeah,
That's crazy. How it really made a fucking its own nutsert like that.
Someone cranked it down last time too hard. Well, now it's serviceable.
Right. Serviceable.
Not gonna worry about a nut either. Just screw it in.
Right, dude. That nut sucks. These ones do too. Those are nuts and it's just drilled through. That needs a nutsert, if anything.
Oh god.
Robert got it to me. Look at the freshies. Hey, John.
I'm scared. Okay, don't say. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I forgot to outro the video. I just got off of work. I just wanted to say, if you guys enjoyed a video like this, something a little bit different, we weren't exactly doing a dedicated install or a dedicated video. We kind of just filmed like a day in our lives, a basic day, what we would do when we're not filming a YouTube video. Basically, just doing regular maintenance, doing oil changes, simple stuff, fixing stuff that's falling off the car, you know, just simple stuff. If you guys like videos like this, you want to see more of like vlog type content, not necessarily something along the lines of a dedicated video towards something, let me know down in the comments below and I'll do more videos that are more vlog based, just more day in the lives, what we do on a typical day. Other than that, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next Ghost Flash video.